Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Canva AI Image Generator. So guys, you've been wondering how you can make use of Canva AI's image generator. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can actually generate some images. You can make your images look good, either images for your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your Twitch, or any platform you require your image to be used for. All right, so let's get into it. Your first step would be to simply log on to canva.com. So make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, on the home section, just simply click on home. And from here, instead of clicking on your designs or templates, head straight to Canva AI. So Canva AI is just on the home page. It's easily accessible, and you can do a lot with Canva AI. So just go ahead and click on image here, click on image, and let it select create an image. Now, underneath here, you would find style and you would find the aspect ratio. Now for the style, you could decide what you want. Either you want a smart image, a cinematic concept, a creative image, a bokeh, a macro, an illustration, a 3D render, cinematic again, fashion, minimalist, moody, or a portrait. So now you could design it based off of any of these prompts, or you could just wing it. So let's just go with something as easy as a 3D render. Now, you could now describe what you want. You could even upload an image and tell it to take out things from that image as well. So to do this, just go ahead and click on upload. And then you can now give the AI any of your images here and request something in return. For the aspect ratio, you could keep it simple with a 16:9 or a 9:16 or a 1:1 or 4:3. So let's just go with something like 16:9 and then describe an image. So you could simply ask Canva AI to generate. So you could have it look like this, and you could also chat using your voice. You could enter this prompt with your voice or just click on submit. So which is what I just did. So now I've asked Canva AI to simply generate me an image of a boy holding a balloon and smiling. It's set to 3D render, so it's going to look like this, all of which were designed using the Canva AI prompt. Now, if you want it more discreet and more to the point, you're going to have to go into detail with your description. As you can see here, it says Canva AI can make mistakes, so please check for accuracy. So this is something you need to note. And now once you found a design you want to keep or you want to use, just simply click on the download option and it's going to download this image to your device. If you want to edit it, just click on edit here and you can simply edit the design. So Canva is just going to open up an untitled design and now give you access to edit the image. I believe you can change the colors of some simple things. So let's see once it's loaded in. All right, so with the image opened up, it kind of looks like this. You cannot mess with too much of the elements apart from a few colors like red. You could turn the red white and it's going to look like this, a bit botched. You could turn it back to bright red to add some more vibrancy to it. But most of the colors are not changeable. All right, guys, so that's how you can make use of Canva AI. It's a simple prompt and use service. You just give it a prompt and it's going to create whatever you want. Once you're done and satisfied with it, click on share at the top right, click on download, and then simply click on download. So go ahead and click on download and it's going to download it either as a PNG or a JPEG for whatever use you need it for. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.